To replace this bulb, you need to remove this cover from the back of the headlight. Unplug the connector. Release the safety lock from the upper part of the headlight and remove the bulb. This is a H4 bulb and it's used for both beams, high and low. Install a new bulb with these two pins on the downside. Lock back the safety. Reconnect the bulb plug. Now install the cover back on the headlight. Thank you for watching. For any questions, you can leave a comment and I'll try to answer all of you.